All right. So for a quick pro tip, that question we get asked a lot is, how long is it going to take my recovery system to remove the gas out of this breaker, or what size recovery system should I use for this in particular breaker? And for that, we use the nameplate gas weight of that in particular breaker. So if you'll notice on our website, we have a time calculation app. On the right side of the screen, you'll see our DILO apps. And then the first app that pops up is our time calculation. So we'll go ahead and click the start button, input a couple values. We're going to say 40 kilograms to 100 kilograms. And then anytime we're dealing with a breaker with over 100 pounds of gas, we want to recover down to less than 1 torr. So we're going to display our recommended devices. So for this, we're going to go ahead and compare our LO57 and our L170. Always select your hose lengths or your hose diameters. We're going to use DN20 hoses. Couple inputs, we'll say 90 psi. Final recovery vacuum, again, down to less than 1 torr. And then our SF6 mass. That's going to be the volume that's listed on your breaker itself. We'll say this breaker has 150 pounds of gas. And below that, it's going to give us some numbers in minutes, how many minutes each recovery system is going to take to recover it down to less than 1 torr. You'll notice the LO57 is going to do this in 175 minutes, just under 3 hours. And then the L170 is going to do it right at an hour and a half. It'll give you some times for evacuation as well. If we select our vacuum pump, again, same 50 minutes for the LO57, 42 for the L170. One last tip is the L170 actually has a larger port on the inlet, just an additional DN40 port, which is going to reduce your recovery time. If we select that hose and have that hose available on the breaker itself, it's going to drastically reduce our time, again cutting it down from an hour and a half to right at 1 hour. I hope this tip helps. Anytime you're looking to schedule a job and determine how long that job is going to take, this can be a lot of help. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We can walk you through it.